Hello and welcome. This is just a short review on the unboxing and battery performance of the KingMa KM-FW50 aftermarket camera battery. This is used for some of the Sony A series and NEX lineup cameras. This is a kit I bought online and it comes with 2 batteries and a twin charger. In this video I'm going to show you what's in the box and do a basic comparison between the KingMa battery, the original Sony battery, and another aftermarket brand called Viloso. So this is the box, and opening it up, you get a very neat tray, which you almost wish was a box. 2 KingMa batteries, these nice little cases. It's a nice touch basically. Twin charger. And battery cable, the charge cable, which seems pretty good quality. So just for a comparison, you can see the KingMa has a capacity of 1080 mAh, the Sony 1020 mAh, and the Viloso 1200 mAh. I'm going to do a very simple performance comparison by fully charging the batteries and then seeing what the battery levels are after recording a 15-minute video